teaching you how to make a fuck ton of money in 5 minutes, specifically how you are going to make $20,000 a month. And I'm going to teach you in under 5 fucking minutes. Let's fucking get into it. Let's go, right? First off, before I show you, to build up a little bit of credibility, this is the place I'm staying in, by the way, right? And this is just the lounge room. Let's put on the fuck you glasses again. So, let's sit you down, 5 minutes, let's fucking go. This is what I did, this is what you're gonna do, bang. So, first thing, all right, change your fucking habits. Stop doing things that aren't going to get you to where you want to go. Stop drinking, stop partying, stop doing all the dumb shit, bang. Because remember this, time is not money. Time is greater than money because time is something that you're never going to get back. Which means, why should we spend it doing dumb shit when we could be spending that time making a lot of money, because time will then equal money in the future. So bang. First thing, bam, stop doing stupid shit. That's what you need to do. If you don't do that, then none of this is going to work. Second thing, get into sales, because building a business is going to keep you broke. You do not need to build a personal brand. You do not need to build a business, because 65% of businesses in Australia fail. Why? Because the people that are building them don't want to be building them, right? People just want to make money. They just want time freedom, money freedom, and whatever. They just want to be able to, support their family. You don't need to be building a business to do that. So you don't need another drop shipping store, Etsy, affiliate marketing, none of that bullshit, agency. It's all trash, right? Because at the end of the day, when you do stuff like agencies, you do it and then you end up becoming another slave for your clients, and then you burn out. Don't do that. Focus on developing a skill, because a skill will keep you rich and get you rich. It did for me. I went from broke, homeless, to making well over $2 million in the last 2 years, right? Next, you need to realize that there are 3 different pillars of sales: communication, sales, and then business, right? How I made my first $100,000 was on communication. How I made my couple millions of dollars was on sales and business. So being said, you can fucking do this. So if you like talking to people, if you message people, if you have any line of communication, if you know how to speak, if whatever, you can do the first part of communication and make $100,000. So what is the first part of communication? Appointment setting. Do appointment setting, okay? You need to start leveraging other people's things. Okay, you don't need a business, but you can work inside of another business. This isn't like the physical world where, if you're working for a company, there's literally thousands and thousands of employees, because that's what they need to keep the business growing. But online, you can make a course and sell it for $10,000 at 10,000 times with putting in no work. That's why businesses are able to hire salespeople and give them so much money, because they are profiting so much. Right? For McDonald's, they're not profiting that much. Okay, that's why they need to make a lot more money and do a lot more stuff. But online, okay, because there's more leverage, they're profiting a lot more, which means that they can pay you a lot more money. So you would do appointment setting, and all that is sending text messages for someone else, booking them onto calls. Okay, so let's say you're working for a business coach. The business coach is selling their service for $10,000. You will come onto their Instagram and send messages for them. Right? And then you would just book appointments. You're not selling, you're just talking to people on your phone, okay? And every time that person that you book in for a call buys the coach's program, you're gonna make 5-10% commission, which is anywhere from $500 to $1,000 bang. If you want more in-depth videos, I'll link one down below, you can check it out. That's exactly how I was making $20,000 a month. Next, you need to realize that you are valued more. Start to change your value perspective. Okay, a lot of you guys think that you're valued at how much you're making, but what you should be valuing yourself at is not how much you're making, but how much you're making the company, right? So maybe you're a sales rep now, or maybe you're working for a company or a business, or maybe even fucking a retail store, and you're only making $50,000 a year, but you're making the company hundreds of thousands of dollars. All right, so stop with the bullshit mindset that you're not worth anything. Because you aren't worth how much you're making, but how much you're making the company that you're working for. Now really think about how much you're making the company. That's how much you're fucking valued. Now, knowing what we just know, you value yourself more, you take the skills that you have, which is communication and sales, you come online where there's more leverage, start doing shit for other people, make $100,000 your first year, go into the next year, get into remote closing, make 40, 50 grand a month, and then you build businesses in the upcoming years. That's how you get rich in 2024. That's how you get rich in under 5 minutes. That's how I got rich at 21. I'll see you on the next video. See you then.